Yeah, hi Snino. Congratulations first of all. I know it's been 6 months. I guess you secured your first job, right?
Yes.
Sorry, it's a second job.
Yeah, it's a second
So
job.
it's I know like usually we will take the feedback from after getting the job, but I want to know how you are sustained in the last 6 months. Like once you learned from the course and after getting in a job, and how this 6 months also. The total we are going to be covering a couple of minutes.
Yeah.
So what's your career actually? Could you please explain about yourself first?
Yeah. Hi everyone. I'm excited to be here to share my journey with you. So I'm Srinivas Reddy. I started my career as a fresher in Tech Mahindra right after college placements. So I started my career with Python, data analysis.
Okay.
And I have worked there for 3.5 years. After that, I started to look for the second job to improve my career and to improve my salary. So from there, I have applied for almost 100 interviews. So in return, I got only 3 or 4 calls.
Okay.
Due to the skill gap. So then I started to think like to learn something to improve my job skills.
Okay.
So then I started searching for data science. So I have gone through the KSR Datavizon Institute.
Okay.
So I got guidance like from Python, we have add-ons like machine learning and deep learning. So I have started learning there. After learning machine learning and the deep learning, Python statistics.
Okay.
So I have, after 3 months of learning, I have applied for interviews. So I have given almost for 30 interviews and in return, I got 3 offers.
Oh, okay.
So as current my company is a product-based company, I selected
In the recent one, okay.
Yes.
So you said like it's a 3 months. Our courses is not 3 months. Like you started applying within 3 months onwards.
Yeah, after 3 months.
Okay.
Our course is like 6 months.
Okay.
So after completion,
Okay. So it took 9 months to you then to start your first even. So why it took too much time? Like even after completing the course itself, you can start, right? Why you taken 3 months gap?
I cannot manage both work and learning.
Okay.
It's almost 10 hours. My work is almost 10 hours. So
Okay. So during the maybe you learned everything, and a good thing is you got 30 opportunities.
Yes.
And maybe the bad thing, it takes you 30 times to crack your 3 offers, right? So what you identified, what was the reason to fail in the 27 interviews?
The main reason is I could not learn the complete thing in the project.
The only thing, or else any concepts we have missed to teach, because then only I can able to improve our next curriculum. So you find anything like this topic is expecting now, which is not covered in our curriculum?
I haven't observed anything like that. I have covered all the topics. Only thing is I missed some points in the project.
Okay, mostly might be scenarios also you might miss.
Yes,
right?
Every interview is a mock interview for me.
Okay.
So at last, 3 in a row I cracked.
Okay. So around how much percentage you secured, like compared to the first job, like your Tech Mahindra job, and how much percentage you got as a hike?
100% I got.
100%. Yes. So that's good to know. So the third offer is 100%, or else every company, like first company, 3 offers you said, right?
Yeah.
So what the other 2
first
companies?
offer is like 85%, and this is 100, and next is 130%. As is a product-based company with oil and gas project. So I have chosen this.
Okay. So it's nice to hear. So now you previously you are maybe it's a merit student, I guess, because you got a job during the campus only. So you are fine. So after that you want to upskill yourself and you secured again data science. You joined in data science. So you got a job. It's a second achievement. Now this 6 months journey, I guess 6 months or 7 months now.
Yeah, almost.
6 months. 6 months. Okay.
Yes.
So in these 6 months, like any struggles you face, like apart from the regular trainings, any other things you are facing in the in day-to-day activities? Because training is different, learning is different, getting in a job is another story, and sustainability.
Yeah.
So because most of the people think like what we are learning in the institution, it might be different from the work experience, right? Obviously, there is some difference will be there, right? So you faced any struggle to sustain in the 6 months?
Yeah, in the first 3 months, I have faced some struggles. Like I used to work for 15 to 16 hours to learn that and to learn the project and able to work.
Is it possible to share what kind of struggle it is? Maybe if it's not project related, maybe you can hide it. So a casual thing is a normal thing where you are struggling.
Skill wise, I have Institute has covered everything, but the project wise.
Okay.
So mine is a healthcare industry. So to switch into oil and gas, it's a difficult thing.
Okay. Oil and gas might be, these are not covered in our projects also, like in the KSR. Usually we are teaching.
I have covered banking and
Healthcare, retail. Okay,
Yeah.
retail healthcare you already have, banking and healthcare.
Yes.
So oil and gases, maybe we are not that much covered. So it's a new domain. You face a little issue to understand their requirement. Their requirement only, right? Mostly.
Yes.
Terms also.
Yeah.
Okay.
The requirements and terms.
What kind of, is there any possibility to share like generalized, like an oil and natural gas, right? Your project.
Yeah.
So what kind of, maybe you faced any small example, you have anything?
Like,
The struggling phase.
yeah. Yeah, they used to give one file which is of some 4 GB. I mean, the data like the temperatures, the pressures, the atmospheric pressures, everything inside the well.
Oh, okay.
So, in HDFA format, they will give us.
Okay.
So, we have to process that using Python and machine learning. So, initially, to analyze that, I have faced much challenges. Like
Okay, I got it now. So even the terminal is also a little difficult to you, that atmospheric pressure and the temperature, humidity, these kind of words
like
also, it's
physics
new to
kind
you.
of things.
Okay. So then you're all good now.
Yeah.
Right? Okay, great. So what's your suggestion for upcoming people, like who want to learn data science and all, maybe they are into the different domain now and who want to enter into the data science field, like what's your suggestions to the people?
My suggestion is to start with the basic things like the Python, SQL, statistics, machine learning and deep learning. Like you have to learn some 4 hours every day so that you can easily crack the interviews.
Okay.
And even after cracking the interview also, while doing job also, you have to study at least 90 minutes a day.
Okay.
Otherwise, if you crack interview now, after 6 months, those skills won't useful for you. Even I am facing the same thing now.
Okay. So now you are focusing on upskilling continuously?
Yeah.
Okay.
I am currently learning Azure.
Okay. Yes. So Azure, anything they are using now?
Not using now.
But Azure you want
So to upskill myself, I'm learning Azure.
Azure, good. So thanks, for coming here and giving your valuable time for our people.
No mention.
Thank you and congrats.
Thank you. Yeah.